Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick view of Vigo city in Spain. Vigo is a city and municipality of Spain, part of the autonomous community of Galicia. Vigo is located in the northwest of the Iberian Peninsula. It straddles on the southern shore of an inlet of the Atlantic Ocean. Vigo is the rainiest city in the Galicia, in actuality, with its noticeable drying trend in the summer. You can still see the great architectural building in Vigo. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another places. Cheers!